Welcome to Gas and Watts. I'm here up north and I'm here to visit some family and also to check out this car right here. This is a 2007 Subaru Impreza wagon special edition. This is my nephew's first car and he's pretty excited about it. It looks a little bit rough right now, but I think we can clean it up and do some maintenance on it and it'll be a great car for him for his first car. But let's get back to the garage and I'll introduce you to my nephew and let's talk a little bit more about this car. Oh, and welcome to Calgary. All right, we're back at the garage and this is Owen here and I'm gonna have him talk to you a little bit more about the 2007 Subaru Impreza, why he likes it, some of the specs on it and everything like that. Here you go, Owen.
All right, so the specs on this car is 173 horsepower, 166 foot-pounds or pound-feet of torque. It has all-wheel drive and it is 4 cylinders and it is automatic because I'm not very familiar with the manual transmission, but a good reason why this is a great car for a new person is because it's old, so it's affordable, and it would be great if you're in the market for a car as a student or somebody who can't afford a new car. And it's also especially great for the kind of weather that we have here in Canada because we have really variant weather. It's so cold and then it's scorching hot. You got a ton of snow and a ton of sun. So you're going to need something like winter tires and summer tires or all-season tires. And it's also great because the all-wheel drive is going to help you in slippery conditions.
How about the looks? It's kind of unique because this is a wagon, but most of these Imprezas are sedans. What do you think about the wagon?
I especially like the wagon look. I mean, it's just different. Like, I mean, everybody has a sedan, and I guess some people have wagons, but the shape of the wagon, you got a ton of space to see. You have a ton of cargo space. Like, for example, right now we actually have the summer tires in there, which we're going to switch on after. And it can store whatever you need, groceries, maybe you're doing furniture or something. You can fit it in the wagon where otherwise you wouldn't be able to fit it in a sedan. Great visibility, and yeah,
awesome. So like Owen said, we have the summer tires in the back here. We're going to change them out for the winter tires. So we'll do that really quickly before we go and kind of clean it up a little bit. It's a little bit dusty and everything like that. So let's get right to it. All right. So before we jack up the car or anything like that, we're going to pull the brakes. All right. We pull the brakes. It just helps to keep the car steady. And then we'll also chuck it up in the back as well so it doesn't roll back on us while we're jacking it up. Now that we've got the emergency brakes on, the car's not going to move. Before we lift it up, we're going to break these lugs a little bit so that it's easier for us to remove them while we have it up in the air. Oh. All right, we actually couldn't lift it up with the diff either, so we had to kind of lift it on the side pinch welds here, the side frames here. We barely got it up. We might need to invest in a better jack for you, Owen, for the next time. But we're just gonna do the back tires first, and then we'll do the front tires. So we're just gonna take these off and then put these stock Subaru wheels right back on. All right, Owen, you guys gonna torque it up to 79 foot-pounds.
We finally finished taking off the winter tires, and now we put the stock summer tires back on. And now all we have to finish is to clean the dust off this car. It's got a bit of rust, dirt, sand, salt, whatever is on here. Clean that all out. Then we're gonna detail the interior, and we'll be right back after that.
All right, we got back from the car wash. We just did a kind of a quick car wash, went through all the dials and everything. It's looking a lot better from what it was. It's much cleaner, but there are some interior detailing that Owen's probably gonna have to do. There's some caked on salt from the winters past, so he's gonna do that himself, probably off camera, so we won't show you that on this one. But there are still a few maintenance things that we're gonna want to do. Owen, why don't you tell them what we're gonna do?
So we have the brake pads that we're going to change on the front and rear. And then we have all 4 spark plugs that we're going to change. We have the back brake lights, which are not working right now. So the right side brake lights, we're going to replace those. And we're going to replace our filters, so our cabin filter and intake filter. And that should be about it. And then the rest is going to be purely cosmetic.
Awesome. So we'll take care of that in the next episode. And this should be good to go for Owen. So a pretty nice car for a first car for Owen. Everything that he needs for the winters here in Canada. With that, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, like the video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And we'll see you next time.